Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana, we were tracking here higher prices and impulsive moves to the upside. Unfortunately, all of these have resulted in corrections. Now, all of these corrections made higher lows. So overall, we can be carefully bullish here also based on the wave count, because those moves to the upside, they can all be counted impulsive, which means they suggest that the trend has changed to the upside. However, I said it before in previous videos, also in the most recent ones, we have to be a bit careful with Solana. We currently have, probably compared to most other coins that I cover, the smallest evidence only and the least evidence that that low is already in. Yeah, because while it is moving up, you can really see this as a bear flag as well. And it is easier here to count a bearish wave pattern than, for example, it is on the Bitcoin chart. So here, still be very careful. We have no confirmation yet. For me, it was always this level here, the 48, 42 level, above which we can have a bit more comfort that the low is in. Until this is the case, we need to be extremely careful. Yeah, I mean, you could argue we're forming here an ascending triangle as well, because, you know, we've touched this 48, 40 level now a few times. But again, we are not there yet. And as long as a resistance level gets broken, it is meaningful and it is resistance. At the moment, again, we can be carefully confident, we can be carefully bullish as long as we are moving higher and as long as we're playing out here the impulsive moves to the upside, which is a wave 1, 2, then another 1, 2 pattern and another 1, 2 pattern, and here's the fourth 1, 2 setup. Now, if you have more than 4 1, 2 setups, it will get unrealistic. So, see, this was the first one, 1, 2, and you would expect now to be in the wave 3. Now in this wave 3 then, the subwave would be another 1, 2, and you would expect to be in the wave 3. In this wave 3, you have another 1, 2, and you would expect to be in the wave 3. And in this wave 3 then, we have another 1, 2 setup, and it would need to really start blasting off now. If it does, it will push prices up massively due to all these 1, 2 patterns here. However, if it doesn't play out, this was in the end just corrective. And if we don't get above the 48, 42 level, yeah, be careful, all right? And that's just the message here. But on the lower time frame, we can have a look at this and at the moment make assumptions that this is just a wave 2 correction. We also yesterday reached perfectly here the wave B retracement target that I gave you, which was here between 44.80 and 46.10. And yeah, we came basically to that 44.80 level with that, but we only touched it and then sold off straight away. And you can count 5 waves as complete to the downside. So it could very well be that this wave C of the wave 2 is already in, that this correction is now over. We also came down nearly to the support level of this ascending channel. We might as well drop a little bit more and touch that level and then go up. For me, there's a few levels now that need to be broken to be more confident that this low is already in. Lowest level of confirmation would be that swing high here. This is at 41.87. If we get above that level, we can become carefully confident. In addition to that, we have the descending trend line here. If we break above that, ideally with a positive retest, flipping it from resistance to support will raise confidence as well that the low here of the wave 2 was already in and we're moving higher. Best confirmation though will probably be the break above this wave B high, which is at $44.80. If we get above that level, I'm quite confident that we're also going to go to 48, 42. And this is then the key level that would need to be broken also in the process of this next wave to the upside, which should be a wave 3, which should take us way above $50, more around the area of $56. And in that process of getting there, we would need to break here through this red resistance area and would then also break above that 48.40 level. And that is a key level to be broken, the previous wave 4 high. If that gets broken, it will invalidate a whole series of bearish patterns. So at the moment, we haven't got evidence that this low of the correction is already in, but we can be carefully confident as soon as we break one of these levels that I just indicated. What we shouldn't do is to go lower than $39.10. That would take out this wave 2 low. If that happens, we have to rearrange this entire wave count here. Possibly have to move the wave 2 over here. And in that context, then it would be highly relevant to hold that level at 34.60. Yeah, and if that gets broken, yeah, it would seriously put this bullish scenario into question. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. For both, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.